Hi, I'm Bernie Raffy, a professional photographer and instructor based in the UK, and welcome to my course on using off-camera flash. I'm a big fan of using small flashes like this to get dramatic looking images. You know, if you take photos in light that's a bit boring or uninteresting, there's every chance you'll end up with boring or uninteresting photos. In this course you'll learn how to get a more interesting, more pleasing and more dramatic light for portraits using off-camera flash. You don't need very expensive equipment either, but what you do need is the know-how, and that's what I'm going to pass on to you in these videos. You'll learn about light, how to choose the gear, how to put it together, how to trigger the lights, how to expose, how to modify the light coming out of the flash to get different effects, how to balance flash with ambient light, and how to put that all together to take stunning photos. And as well as the theory, there are currently around 16 indoor and outdoor live photo shoots with mostly gorgeous models. You'll watch me setting up the lighting, taking the photos and immediately showing you the results along with camera and flash settings. Now, I'm sitting in a garage next to my house. It's not that big, well, it's about car size obviously, so you'll see that you don't need a large space in order to take professional looking photos with small flashes. Up until a few years ago, this type of portrait photography was mainly the preserve of professional photographers with their expensive flashes and triggering systems, but more recently the price of the equipment has come tumbling down, and now you can shoot these types of photos on a small budget. To help with that, I provided shopping list supplementary material of the best type of equipment to buy, and it's generally stuff that won't break the bank. If you have an external flash gun but cringe at the thought of messing around with buttons and dials on the back, don't worry, it's all explained in very simple terms, and as I said before, it needn't cost too much money. If you already have a digital camera and an external flash gun, you'll already own the most expensive parts of the equipment. Most of the other items are relatively cheap, and so you can put together the whole package on a reasonably tight budget if necessary. This is a very comprehensive, simple to do course. Now, years ago when I started using off-camera flash, I made mistakes, just like everyone else does. But since those early days, my technique has evolved, and I'll be passing on all this information so that you don't make the same mistakes that I did. I've broken the course down into easily digestible chunks. Sure, there is some boring technical stuff, but great photography does require some science and some art, and in these videos I'll be showing you both. This course is for photographers who want to take great portraits with their DSLR, mirrorless or more sophisticated compact or bridge cameras even. You certainly don't have to be an advanced photographer. It's easy to do and easy to learn, but like all skills, it does require some practice. You'll be amazed at the results you can get with the simple setups I'm about to show you, so why not enroll now and discover what the wonderful world of off-camera flash can do for you and your photography.